Different types of different stimuli. There are many pop science articles, that is article not published in a research journal, that claim there are anywhere from 4 to 15 different types of orgasm. As mentioned before, there's a lot of debate at how to classify female orgasms. However, there's a little evidence to support the idea that different stimuli reliably, that is repeatedly under experimental condition, cause different types of female orgasm or different intensity of orgasm. Most people report that some orgasms are better than others, but this doesn't necessarily seem to be related to the stimuli that cause that orgasm. We have clitoris stimulation. The clitoris contains a body of nerve ending and is located in the front of the female vulva and under the clitoral hood. That is the triangle part of female genital that connects to the labia. The clitoris, similar to the penis, will swell, enlarge, and become more sensitive as a person becomes more sexually aroused. Stimulation of the clitoris is probably the easiest way for most people to experience an orgasm. In a 2017 study of over 1,000 women from the US, about 7 out of 10 women who had heterosexual sex say that they require clitoral stimulation to orgasm during the sex, or that clitoral stimulation improved orgasm even if they didn't require it to orgasm. The type of clitoral stimulation preferred varied among the women in the study. True, many women reported enjoying direct clitoral stimulation and stimulation that involved making circle up and down movement. That being said, there was a wide diversity in answer regarding how and in which way a person liked having their clitoris stimulated, with even a few people saying they didn't like direct contact at all. We have vaginal stimulation. A vaginally stimulated orgasm is an orgasm that occurs through intentional stimulation of only the vagina, although the clitoris or other part may be accidentally touched in the process. To have a vaginal orgasm, there would be no intentional stimulation of other body parts. If the same studies described above, less than 1 in 5 women reported being able to orgasm through vaginal stimulation without clitoral stimulation. The ability to orgasm from only vaginal sex may be related to the G-spot, though that is up for debate. The G-spot is not well understood. The G-spot may be its own structure, but it has also been argued that the G-spot is actually a retracted or enlarged clitoris, or is a part of the nerve ending attached to the clitoris. It's also argued that the G-spot doesn't exist at all. Regardless, there isn't evidence to suggest that an orgasm from penetration only is somehow superior to other form of orgasm. In fact, intentional clitoral stimulation may make orgasm better than penetration only orgasm. We also have stimulation of other body parts. There is less research into orgasm caused by stimulation of body parts that are in the genital, because many of these studies are small and aren't all recent. The proportions of people reporting this type of orgasm may not be representative of the rate we would find in a large representative survey. That being said, this study does suggest that people don't necessarily need to directly stimulate their clitoris or vagina to experience an orgasm. Some studies have found that people can experience orgasm through stimulation of the mouth, nipple, breast, anus, and skin surrounding an injury. Research with participants who have several injuries to the spinal cord and with participants who have epileptic seizure suggests that there are orgasmic experience that may be induced without direct incorporation of the genitals. We also have orgasm outside of sex. Arousal of the genitals and even orgasm itself aren't necessarily just experience that happen during sex. Orgasm outside of sex include exercise-induced orgasm. Exercise, especially weight training, cardio, and abdominal focus exercise, can induce orgasm, sometimes called orgasm in pop science and other positive genital stimulation. This makes sense biologically, as both exercise and sex can stimulate the muscle around the genitals and can lead to increased blood flow to the area of the body. Exercise may also influence our mood via endorphin and other neurotransmitters similar to sex and orgasm. We also have orgasm during sleep. Many people experience seizure, arousal, or orgasm during sleep. It's difficult to say that or how exactly this happened because reporting from dreams can be unreliable. It is difficult to say if all arousal and orgasm during sleep are caused by sexual dreams. Similarly, no research has currently looked at whether people were unconsciously stimulating their bodies during sleep or were being stimulated by bedding or other objects. So we are not currently able to say if orgasm during sleep happen entirely unaided from stimulation. We also have better